Breaking news coming in. Congress has begun its protest. The protest has begun in Hassan against the JDS MP. Remember, as far as the JDS-BJP alliance is concerned, there seems to be no end to their headache. Congress is upping the ante. They've been demanding action against Mr. Revanna. JDS's one of their own MLAs has written a letter asking HT Devegowda to act against Revanna. It's just over a week, which is left for the second left of polling in Karnataka. Remember, half of the 28 seats will be going to polls then, and it's going to be a huge headache for the JDS party. Imran is joining us live on the broadcast. Imran, Prajwal Revanna's so-called sex scandal, the tape scandal, seemed to have rocked the JDS. Congress is upping the ante. They are staging a protest in Hassan. Take us through the latest which is happening on ground.
Well, the Congress is yet to stage a protest, but the civil society groups in Hassan have come out and demanding that the Prajwal Revanna should be arrested. Activists from across the Bangalore and also Hassan have come here. Ma'am, the JDS is claiming that these videos are mobbed and they an independent inquiry, but they say they're categorically dismissing these videos.
Let the SIT decide, let the enquiry come out. So how can they so hastily tell these things? If at all that is the thing, in June 2023, the culprit who is named as has taken injunction from the court of Karnataka. At that time, why did not take these things into consideration? So let the enquiry bring out the truth. That's what we are also demanding.
So, then what do you also have to say about this kind of videos have come out? What kind of mindset it shows?
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇದೊಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಕೃತವಾದಂತಹ ಅಮಾನವೀಯವಾದಂತಹ ಹತ್ಯಾ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಡೀ ದೇಶನೇ ತಲೆ ತಗ್ಗಿಸುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಲಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳನ್ನ ತನ್ನ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ತನಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಹಣದ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನಿತರ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಪ್ರಾಬಲ್ಯವನ್ನ ಬಳಸಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳನ್ನ ದುರ್ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು
So the lady is saying that this shows a sick mentality of the person who is indulged in all this, and it is a shameful incident, and it and also says that it also brought shame to the entire country, and a strict action should be initiated against those who are involved in it. The president of the activist association is also here. Sir,
ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಪರ ಸಂಘಟನೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಜನಪರ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾನೂನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಮೊರಂಡಮ್ ಕೂಡ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಜನಪರ ಚಳುವಳಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜಬೀದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ತಕ್ಷಣ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಒಳಪಡಿಸಿ ತಪ್ಪಿತಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಒತ್ತಾಯಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Can you repeat that in English, sir? What actions you plan to take against the Prajwal Revanna?
Against Constitution. As per Constitution, you take against of them.
So they're denying that these are videos are not of Prajwal Revanna.
This is for political issues.
Yeah.
We cannot.
So what is the, as part of the citizen action, what are you planning to do? You said that
we are all citizens of Hassan as progressive thinkers. We are planned for action today for procession.
Procession.
Yeah.
Procession. Will you also be giving a memorandum to?
Yeah, definitely. Okay. That also in our agenda.
So one FIR has already been registered against Prajwal Revanna. What else are you demanding from the government?
You take relevant actions, whether it is true or not. After that, you take serious action about them. That's we have demanded.
So there you heard the citizens of the Hassan and some of the activists from Bangalore have also joined, demanding that a strict action should be initiated against Prajwal Revanna.
Those protests that are now taking place, we are mainly looking at civil society members who have been protesting against the JDS leader and MP there, but this also includes the opposition parties there, Imran. Multiple opposition party leaders, including women leaders, have now taken up this issue and have been demanding action also from the Women's Commission. Even when it comes to the BJP, who they blame has been remained silent on this issue.
Well, absolutely. Let me take that across to Irshad Sahab. Irshad Sahab, there is Women's Commission पे काफी लेटर भी गए हैं और वहाँ पर भी डिमांड हो रहा है. आपको क्या कहना है इसमें?
ये जो वाकया हुआ है इसके सिलसिले में दिसंबर में लेटर दिया गया था
आपकी तरफ से.
हाँ, ये जनरल जो है कि प्रज्वल रेवन्ना को जो है एज ए कैंडिडेट सीट न दिया जाए, क्योंकि ये बलात्कार में जो है मुलविस है।
आपने दिसंबर में लेटर किसको दिया था सर?
ये जो है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को दिए थे, डिपार्टमेंट को दिए थे और इलेक्शन कमिश्नर को दिए थे। अलग अलग जगह जो है उसको दिया गया था कि ये कई ज़माने से जो है ये बलात्कार के अंदर जो है मुलविस है और ये इसी तरह के एक्टिविटीज़ के अंदर जो है इमोरल जो है एक्टिविटीज़ जो है करता आ रहा है। तो इसके लिए इसको जो है एज ए एमपी कैंडिडेट जो है इसको सीट न दिया जाए।
So just to clarify to our viewers in English that the civil society groups are saying that in December they had given letter to the election commission, to the respective party and also to the government of India that the ticket should not be given to Prajwal Revanna. This is what civil society groups are claiming, that they had given letter earlier as early as December itself to not to be given the ticket to Prajwal Revanna, as he is involved in many such obscene videos. And also
Imran, the question will be raised that why now this matter has been taken up as far as the circulation of the said explicit videos are concerned of Prajwal Revanna that have been doing the rounds in Hassan. Why now the matter is taken up when the voting already in that seat is over?
एक सवाल है कि जब आप दिसंबर में ही आपने जो कंप्लेंट दिया था, तो आज क्यों प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है जब ऑलरेडी इलेक्शन को उसको वोटिंग हो चुका है?
क्योंकि इलेक्शन का जो है प्रोसेस चल रहा था और उस वक्त जो है देश के अंदर बहुत से जो है क्लैशेस रुनमा थे। पार्टी को बार बार कहा गया था, लेकिन इसमें जो है बीजेपी और जेडीएस जो है पूरी तरह मुलविस होकर जो है उसको जो है सीट दिए हैं। इसके लिए कई लेटर्स गए हैं, न सिर्फ हमारे यहाँ से बल्कि कई एक लेटर जो है गए हैं। इसके बावजूद इसकी तरफ कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया गया, ना इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ने दिया, ना सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने दिया, ना डिपार्टमेंट ने दिया है।
So they are claiming that they had written the letter to the party, to the election commission. Despite writing several letters, they have no action was done. Now since the videos have gone out and the complaint has been registered, they are out on the street. Sir, you would like to say something? Yeah. Just please. Okay. So he'd like to say something, but let me take to the ma'am. There's a now there. ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ.
ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಸರ್
ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
Yeah, we demand red alert to be issued across India, and whichever the hole he is hiding in the globe, wherever he is hiding, he should be brought out and to be punished. The entire family, whoever is involved in the entire family along with him, should be punished. They should be brought out. And also the symbol which they are carrying, a woman's symbol, should be taken away from them because they don't deserve it. They have they have brought the derogatory this thing to women of India, not only Karnataka. It's the entire world. The women are affected, and it is for them to be ashamed of, the entire family, for them to be ashamed of.
One question was what people like to know is, ma'am, one of your colleagues said that there was letters written as early as December. Why the protests are happening now?
Because we didn't know. The public didn't know about it. Whoever knew about it also should be considered as culprits. They should also be considered as culprits. Whoever had the evidence against it, they should have brought those people, the culprits, to the justice. They have evaded. They have waited for I don't know for what reason. Maybe it is because of the ex-prime minister or ex-chief minister's house, and they have misused all the power in entire Karnataka, not only just Hassan.
Have been alleging that there seems to be some sort of a pressure there because this incident being in the knowledge of the public at large back in December. What has now been said about Prajwal Revanna? He was again given a ticket to contest from Hassan seat.